The GCF, also known as the greatest common factor. So we're going to find the greatest common factor of numbers for this first part. We're going to leave variables out of this. The greatest common factor is the largest factor shared by both numbers. Now, when you think about the word factor and you're like, I don't even know what that means, that's fine. A factor is a number that divides evenly into another number. So if we just think about the number 10, all of the factors of 10 are going to divide evenly in. Now, when I go and I want to list all of the factors, I always start with 1 and whatever number I'm dealing with, because factors have to be that number or less. So all of the factors of 10 are going to fall between 1 and 10. So I say, okay, 1 and 10. What else multiplies together to get 10? Now, I like to do kind of a process, and I say, okay, 10 is even. That means 2 is going to go in, and 2 times 5 is 10. Great. Next, I think about between 2 and 5, the only numbers are 3 and 4. Do either one of those go into 10? Nope. And therefore, the only 4 factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. So that's how we find the factors of a number. So now when I'm finding the greatest common factor of two numbers, I'm looking for the largest number that fits into both. So let's go ahead and just write them out. If I'm looking at 50, okay, I've got 1 and 50. 50 is even, so that means 2 goes in. 50 divided by 2 is 25. 3 does not go in. 4 does not go in. 5 does. So 5 and 10. So now I'm checking 6, nope, 7, nope, 8, nope, 9, nope. Okay, so those are the factors of 50. This is the process that I do. And if you don't know that, you can always use a calculator to check, but it really helps if you have your division, if you can divide pretty easily. Like 50 divided by 6, ooh, that's ugly. So nothing. Okay, now let's check 32. Again, I start with 1 and 32. 32 is also even. So 32 divided by 2 is 16. I check 3. Nope. I check 4. Yeah. 32 divided by 4 is 8. I check 5. Nope. 6. Nope. 7. Nope. Okay. This is it. These are my factors. So what is the biggest number shared by both of these? It's not any of the, no. 2. 2 is the only factor. So the GCF is 2. And that is our process, right? Especially if you are a visual learner. All right, let's do another one. 24 and 36. Okay, let's start with 24. I've got 1 and 24. It's even. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. 3 times 8. 4 times 6. And 5 doesn't go in. So that's a good one. There's a lot. Now let's do 36. I have 1 and 36. 36 is even. So I have 2 and 18. I have 3 and 12. I have 4 and 9. And then I have 6 times 6. Man, there was a lot of them for 36. Okay, so we go through. It's not 24, 36, 8, 12. Notice how I start at the right-hand side because I'm looking for the greatest. I want the biggest number. So my GCF for 24 and 36 is 12. Now, if you look at two numbers and you're like, oh, man, I know this one. Sometimes you don't have to list them all out. But if you're unsure about things, it's maybe helpful to list them out. Let's do one more with 3 numbers. All right, so I'm going to start with 30. I have 1 and 30. Again, it's even, so 2 and 15. 3 goes in nicely with 10, no 4, 5 times 6, and that's it. Okay, 30, done. Let's do 45. 1 and 45. 45 is not even, so 2 does not go in, but 3 does, because 45 divided by 3 is 15. 4 does not go in. 5 does. 5 times 9. And 6, 7, 8. Nope, that's it. All right, so then we go to, what's next? 54. Okay, I've got 1 and 54. It's even, so 2 and 27. It is divisible by 3, so we've got 3 and 18. 4 does not go in, 5 does not go in, but 6 does. 6 times 9, 7 and 8. Nope. Okay, so there's our list. Okay, so we go through. 30 is not in any of them. Now, if you have multiple numbers and you're looking for the biggest, you really just need to start with the smallest number, right? Because 45 definitely can't be in 30. So I really just need to focus on the top one. It's not 30. 15 is in 2 of them, but not the third one. 10, no. 6, no. 5, no. 3, yes. 3 is in all 3 of them. So our GCF is 3. And that's our basic process of finding the greatest common factor when we're dealing with all numbers.